All right, we're here, ready for our weekend getaway.
Oh my God, you guys. Looks like
None of that.
Never knew there were train tracks here.
Yeah, I think a bunch of old trains used to go through here.
Weird. So how do you think musical's going?
I don't know. I'm like super stressed about auditions, but I mean, we have to get in, right? Like, it's not that hard.
Yeah. Hey, look.
What?
Into the woods and down the
Absolutely not. No, none of that. I'm sick and tired of musical. We are taking a break. Going to a cabin, taking a break. No more musical theater.
These boots up me for walking.
No oldies either.
I know.
What is that?
A whole new way.
Shut up! Oh my gosh!
You're no fun. Hey.
This place is pretty cool though.
I know.
Pictures? Obviously. Honestly though, I would hate to get lost around here. It is pretty creepy.
It's okay, because you've got a friend.
That was weird. Okay, this is actually pretty fun. It was nice to get away and spend some time together.
See?
Does that say goblins? Goblin Woods? This place is getting creepy. I'm telling you, we should go.
There are giants in the sky.
What was that?
There are big, tall, terrible giants in the sky.
No, seriously, what was that? Come on! Wait, my blanket. It's ripped. Oh, dang it, this is my favorite blanket.
It's okay, we can find it. I'm great, how are you?
Well, you falling kind of made it better. I guess it's not so creepy out here.
You're such a wuss sometimes.
I am not a wuss. I just have a healthy fear of scary things.
Wuss.
Wait, which way did we come from? It's not that way. It's not that way either. I think we're lost. Oh my gosh. No, no, no. We gotta get back. We have to get back for the cast list tonight.
We are lost in the woods.
Now is not the time for that. We are lost.
Look, I'm sure we'll find our way. Let's just... Did you happen to get a picture of the map?
No, that would have been smart if you came up with that 5 hours ago. Come on, let's just go back to where we came.
Which way did we come from?
I don't know. That seems to be the issue here, Sydney. We gotta start somewhere. Wait, did we go that way?
Try that way.
I don't know. I think we went that way.
Okay, I don't know what to tell you.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna be lost out here forever.
No, we're not. Just keep walking.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look, it's the bridge.
Like a bridge over troubled water.
Shut up, it's the bridge. That's the way we came from.
Oh my God. Don't slip, don't slip, don't slip.
Shoot. What is that?
Oh my gosh. This is the part of the blanket that ripped.
Maybe we can fix it.
So, a needle pulling thread.
La, a note to follow, so.
Tea,
a drink with gin and bread. That'll bring us back to home. This looks right through here. Which way now?
Wait,
Look, the tracks!
they were on our right, right?
Yeah, this way.
Look, where's the township? There's no place like home.
Come on, Dorothy. Grab your slippers and let's go.